Hey guys, what the frick is up?
What's up?
How are you doing? You know, like, how has your day been? I want to know. My day has been phenomenal. I want to know how your day has been. Why do I look so freaking greasy? That's so ugly. Today we're doing something a little bit special. You know, I'm switching things up. Today is the day where everything must change. My old lifestyle, bye. Because this is the day that we evolve, you know? Evolution is the most important part of natural selection. So I just woke up. As you can tell, I look like this when I wake up because that makes sense. I don't want to tell you what we're doing because it's like exciting, you know? This is an exciting adventure that we need to embark on together, but I want it to be like a surprise, you know? I'm not going to tell you yet. You're just going to have to wait and see. And then also, then you won't leave the video as soon because then you're forced to watch so that you know what the surprise is. You know what I'm saying? The point of this video is not about me. It's all about them. Just kidding. Sorry, hoes. Now, straddle up. Because today, this is gonna be a great video. I'm hyping this up like way too much. I hope like you're gonna be disappointed, so I'm sorry. But you know what, still stay, because it'll be fun, you know? Just don't let your expectations get too high, because then it'll just be bad for both of us. Okay, let's just go. Let's just get on. It's time we do this. I'm finna cop that shirt. No. Other way. Oh. Can you not freaking move and be ugly? Okay. I don't understand what I did to deserve this. I don't. I'm not gonna be the person. Hey guys.
What is up?
So currently, I'm editing this video, and I just want to put in a little message right here so that you know. Also, sorry I look like a crackhead. I don't know what that's all about, but I'm getting that fixed eventually, okay? Don't worry about it. But I just want to say that the upcoming clips that you're going to watch, they're weird. They're weird because, one, they're out of order in a way. Not really. They're not complete. Because, like, when I was filming these, I was, like, really out of it. Like, I was just, like, not on my A game. So I had to cut out a lot of the clips to make it so that all the bad ones are gone and I'm only left with the good ones. Because a lot of clips were just bad and so boring that you just, you know, you wouldn't want to watch this. So I wasn't going to put you through that. Moral of the story is, like, the clips are going to cut. There's going to be parts, like there's one scene where I have no foundation, and in the next clip I have foundation and I'm putting on concealer, you know? But that's just because when I was putting on my foundation, I was talking about a lot of boring stuff. You can see what's happening. You know, you get it. You get the point. All I'm trying to say is that these are a little weird. They're not fully complete. But you know what? This is just what has to happen when you ask for quality content. I have to serve it. Also, I look so bad in the upcoming clips too. My new camera, in combination with the lighting that I was using, just wasn't doing me favors. Don't think that you're getting an actual tutorial because the makeup actually turned out horrible. So, I bet you're really excited to watch this next part of the video now, aren't you? You know, I've hyped it up so much, you're just probably like,
Oh my gosh, like I'm so excited.
well, get ready because you're about to watch it. So I hope you enjoy and hope you enjoy this upcoming quality content. So see you then. Bye. Hey guys, you know, I just decided, you know, I bought this camera and I was planning on vlogging today, but then in public, I didn't know how to use the camera that I, you know, just bought. I don't know how to use it. And the camera was actually dying.
You know, but I'm here now and I'm ready to film a fun little video.
I look like a crackhead. Like I look like I just got done like snorting some like heroin, I don't freaking know. But that's why makeup exists, so I can fix the ugly. So let's just get on to this. Anyways, so I'm just gonna be putting orange, actually, you know what? I'm not gonna be doing the same look that I do every video because I'm tired of that look. First color I'm gonna be going in with is Rosewood by Morphe. First question of the day is, how do you feel about IHOB? And let me tell you, you know, IHOB is just trying to do their own thing, you know? It's like, it's a marketing tactic that's been going on for years. Companies will constantly, you know, change their name, change their logo so that they become more popular and, you know, they get more exposure. But IHOB is probably the worst thing that I've ever heard of in my whole entire life. And I'm probably gonna be calling the cops on IHOB for doing that. So maybe I'll start a GoFundMe and you can support my GoFundMe and, you know, we can work together as a whole to shut down IHOB because what they're doing is not right and shouldn't be allowed. I look like a goddamn crackhead. I look so ugly. I just can't get past it, you know? But like at this point, it's like, what am I gonna do? Nothing. I can't do nothing about it. You know, it's just like, this crackhead life is just the life that I gotta live. So now what I'm gonna do is cut my crease. Oh, I just realized how fugly my makeup looks, so I love that. That's so good and fresh. Someone said do a what's on my iPhone tour. So you know what? Should I do that? Maybe I should do a what's on my iPhone tour. Okay, let's do a what's on my iPhone tour right now. Photos are super important. We all know this, okay, you know? Photos are just so important that, you know, I have an app for them. So I'm gonna show you some of my photos. These are just, you know, these are just some of my favorites. I love these ones. These ones are just, I look at these before I go to bed. What else do we have here? We have some notes. You know, these are just where I keep some video ideas just so I, you know, can stay on top of things. Anyways, next I have, you know, reminders. I always need to remember. I always forget stuff. You know, I just forget stuff so easily. So this reminders app just really helps me. You know, it really advances my life in many, many ways. That's about all. You know, my phone, sorry, a little dry. Oh, you know, sorry. I don't get that many notifs. You know, no one really likes me, so. You know, I'm ready for some sleep. I would rather be sleeping.
Ugly.
You know, after spending hours on my makeup, you'd think, maybe it'd like at least look good. But no, it doesn't. Poor thing, your makeup doesn't look good. That sucks. Stop asking for freaking attention at myself. God, why was I so annoying last night? I can't even be funny because I'm just over it. I'm so over it. The lesson of the day is even if you think you're gonna look good, don't get your hopes up.